How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get a better singing voice fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. The best way to get a better singing voice is to practice over and over and over again until you are better. Even if you don't have a professional singing voice, you can always make your current voice sound better through practicing and working harder. The first tip I recommend that you guys sing a song that you know over and over and over again, really making sure you hit the correct notes and that you say and remember all of the words correctly. This will be awesome practice for you, and you will notice that over time you will get better at singing and remembering lyrics. Make sure it's a song you like to sing because you will be singing it over and over and over again, practicing for it, you guys. Second tip, use emotions and dance with your songs. All the great song singers dance when they sing, or most of them do it. It brings emotion and shows you the meaning behind the song. I recommend that you use some emotion when you sing and that you dance as well. It can be a great way to make your song sound better. Third tip, make sure to warm up before singing. Warming up is very important for anything that you do. You never want to strain your voice or hurt yourself from singing. If this happens, you may not be able to sing for a very long time. The best way to warm up fast before singing is just go over a few of the lines that you plan on singing and just go easy when you start off, you guys. Fourth tip, make sure you stay consistent and try to sing for at least an hour a day. This way you will get a lot of practice in, and over time this will improve your voice and make you sound much better. This is a tip that a lot of people do not follow. A lot of people will only sing when they want to or when it's convenient for them. You want to make sure you sing all the time to get better at it. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.